Alright, so this part 3, go watch the other parts. So
yeah, we are. You'll see. You'll see. We'll get that big money.
Sorry for not uploading in 8 days, and sorry for no like playlists of my videos. I swear to God, I'll make a playlist of every single video on my account, even the YouTube Shorts.
Alright, come on. Sell it, bro. Sell it. Actually, bro, just sell it. We'll take it. Blue, sell the egg. Sell the egg, Blue. Bet. I'll be taking this. I sell this. It's from the toxic guy. Alright, sell me with it so he doesn't take it. You're the one who's bullying.
Money. Woo!
Yeah, he sold the toxic guy stuff. Woohoo! Should we join code 7 to see if there's more people? Let's join code 7 because there's really no one here. Alright. 7. Oh wait, no, I gotta retype it. Alright. Hey, Red, there's people. Let's blow them up.
Let's go.
Let's blow them up. Let's blow them up, Red.
Actually, what about? Actually, hold on. I'm gonna go collect some more. I'm just gonna collect more people to go in a different code. So, see ya, my brother. It was nice recording with ya. It was nice recording with ya. Hug.
And we got lots of money.
Guys, I need help for 200 puppies.
Alright, shut those explosions off! In 3, 2, run!
Go out with a bang!
Go out with a bang! More!
Wow.
See you, bro. See you in another lifetime, Skibidi.
Skibidi Reese. Yeah.